Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today it is about the difference between Europe people and Asian people health. As all of us uh, we know that there is a huge difference between the people who living there in the Europe and the people who live there in the Asia. Basically, the Asian people have a poor or a low system of health care management, while the European are much advanced and developed countries, and they have a lot of extra or extraordinary equipments and tools and procedures they should follow for their health, as health is the basic thing in this world. And we all of know that if you have a good health, we have to enjoy this world. And if we are not healthy or unfit, or else we have illness in several times in the month, or in the year, then we would not enjoy such kind of things. So first of all, we will discuss it as is already shown in the screen. So we will start it. So it is important to note that Europe and Asia are both deserved continents with a wide range of countries and cultures. There can be significant variation in health outcomes and practices within these regions. Nevertheless, I can provide some general information on the potential difference in health between people in Europe and Asia, keeping in mind that these are broad generalization and individual exercises may vary. The first one is diet. Dietary habits can vary between Europe and Asia. So it can also affect the health system of the whole of continent or the whole country. The second thing is chronic disease. The prevalence and distribution of chronic disease can differ between Europe and Asia. In general, European population have a higher burden of non communicable diseases like like cardiovascular diseases, obesity, and certain types of cancer. On the other hand, some Asian countries have a higher prevalence of conditions like diabetics, particularly due to urbanization, changes in lifestyle, and dietary shifts. The other thing is life expectancy. So as we know that both of the continent have a different life expectancy. The other thing is the healthcare system, as the healthcare system vary greatly between countries within Europe and Asia. European countries often have comprehensive healthcare system that provide universal coverage to their citizens. In Asia, healthcare system can range from highly developed systems like in Japan and Singapore to more rescue constrained system in some developing countries. These differences can affect across to healthcare, health outcomes, and the quality of care received. The other thing is cultural factor. Cultural attributes and practices around health can differ between Europe and Asia. Traditional medicine and holistic approaches to health and well-being are often more prevalent in some Asian countries. In contrast, Europe tends to have a stronger emphasis on evidence-based medicine and scientific approaches to healthcare. However, these generalizations may not hold true for every individual or community within these region. So that was the points between the two continents or the two countries that make the healthcare system or the health care differences between these two communities people. So basically, it's important to remember that health outcomes and experiences are influenced by a complex interplay of factors, including genetics, lifestyle choices, socioeconomic condition, and healthcare infrastructure. Therefore, it's crucial to approach any comparison between region and caution and consider the diversity within each country. So basically, all of us know about this, that both the culture have a huge difference in their economic activities, in their social culture and geographical area, and resources, available resources. So basically these depend upon the health totally depend upon these things, which are vary from country to country and region to region and continent to continent. So this was a short video about the difference between European countries people health and Asian countries people health. So I hope you guys will like this video. If you like this, please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe down below, and then I will see you in the next video.